Hey everyone, this is gonna be an exercise video. Given here in this, given an array of integers, so return an array where the first element is a sum of positive integers in the given array, and the second element is the count of the negative numbers in the array. So here we are given with an array which has 6 elements in it, and you have to write a function for that which also returns an array, and the first element of the output array or the expected return array is the sum of positive integers. So in this case 10 plus 20 plus 30 is 60, right? I have to return that. And the second one is the count of negative numbers or negative integers. In this case we have minus 10, minus 20 and minus 30. The count is 3, right? We have 3 negative numbers and we have to pass that, or we have to put that count as second element in the array, and you have to return this 60 comma 3 array as result. So I'm just repeating it. Now here we have been provided with an array of numbers, right? Observe me very carefully. So what we need to do is we need to pass those numbers array into a function called as sum count. So create a function called as sum count, pass this numbers array as an argument to it. Okay, so what that function should return is an array where the value at the 0th index is gonna be the sum of positive numbers in this array. So in this case we have 10, 20 and 30. So and the sum is 60 here, and that is the first element, and it should return 60 as the first element in the array. And second element is we need the count of negative numbers in the array. So here we have minus 10, minus 20 and minus 30. So the count is 3. Hence the return output should be 60 comma 3. So I'm just giving you a hint as well. So the hint is you have to create a function called as sum count, okay, for which we pass numbers array as argument. Inside sum count function, create an empty array, okay, and loop over the numbers array. You can use either for loop or for each method, both are fine. And inside looping you have to use condition check. So you have to do condition check to check if it is a positive or negative number. If it is positive number, sum those numbers and push that result into the newly created array inside function. You can use push method to do it. So we are done with first element, right? The sum part is done. Next, for the second element in the output array, if the integer is negative, it should return the count of the negative numbers. So you can use increment operator to do it, and you have to return the final result inside function, and which is an array. So it has two elements. First one is sum and second one is count, and you have to call it and you have to print it using console.log and function invocation, opening and closing round brackets. That's all from my side. All the very best.